Close your eyes, feel it moving. Your breath, my rhythm. The night is slow, the lights are low. Your body's heat begins to show. I taste the fire beneath your skin. Every breath pulls me in. No words, just touch. Too close, too much. In the dark our hearts align. Your soul and mine entwined. Just breathe, don't speak, just move with me. Our shadows melt in ecstasy. Every beat's a quiet sin. Smoke around us, drawing in. Your whisper drips like wine. Soft, forbidden, pure design. Hands explore what eyes can't see. You lose yourself inside of me. Every heartbeat slow and clear. I feel your voice inside my ear. No rush, no fear, we fade. In rhythm we both stay. Just breathe, let the smoke surround our eyes. Bodies glowing, hypnotized. Every sound, every sigh feels like love before goodbye.